My name is Shane Stanton. I teach middle school English in Austin, Texas, and my why for using technology to support student-centered learning is to teach students to leverage technology in productive ways to set them up for success in later schooling and beyond.
I'm Tom Betterly, and I teach 9th grade Algebra 1 at Borgate Catholic High School in Phoenix, Arizona. And I'm using technology in my classroom to support student success in the inspiration of Blessed Carlo Acutis for young people and Catholics everywhere.
I'm Kathleen Polking. I teach 3rd grade in Jacksonville, Florida, and my why for using technology to support student-centered learning is to empower every student by better understanding and meeting their unique learning needs.
Hello, my name is Marco Orndai, and I teach high school biology and environmental science in Los Angeles, California. My why for using technology to support student-centered learning is to support students' unique gifts and needs through multiple teaching strategies so they can succeed and grow.
Hi, I'm Mary Margaret. I teach 5th grade in Detroit, Michigan, and I'm invested in blended learning because the world becomes a better place when each child, regardless of their background, is well equipped with the tools to meet their highest potential.
Hi, I'm Jack Hutter. I teach 4th grade in New York City, and I want to use digital tools to make learning more interactive, meaningful, and empowering for all students.
My name is Sienna DeGrosse, and I teach in Sacramento, California, and my why is because I want my students to feel empowered, included, and recognize their God-given gifts and intelligence.
Hello, my name is Dylan. I teach middle school science and math in Atlanta, Georgia. And my why for using technology to support student-centered learning is to create an environment that bridges inequality by offering students ownership over their learning.
I'm Stephanie. I teach math and science in Oakland, California. And my why was that using tech in the classroom has the potential to address inequities within learning and allow all kinds of students with all kinds of learning needs to obtain education that they deserve.
My name's Emily. I'm a high school math teacher in Stockton, California. And my why for using technology in the classroom is to enable students to be the best version of themselves by developing their mind, heart, and spirit.
My name is Ryan. I teach 4th grade in Indianapolis. Students deserve instruction that lets them reach their full potential.
Hi, I'm Kelly Hayes. I teach 5th grade in Miami, Florida. And my why for using technology to support student-centered learning is that I want my kids to be prepared for anything and everything that's going to come their way, including technology. I'm hoping that a proficiency in technology and an ability to use it will allow them to be the best global citizens that they can be.